Imagine entering a room and all of a sudden, your crush is unable to look away from you. They seem as though an unseen force is tying you together, drawing you in. It isn't magic. That's psychology. I'm going to share 6 dark psychological methods with you today that are subtle, effective, and supported by science. These tricks bypass reason and directly appeal to your crush's emotions. These are the kinds of tricks that increase fixation rather than merely arouse interest. Trick number 1. Touchy Feely Tango, the power of subtle touch. Let's begin with something quite basic. Touch, not combative, not unsuitable. Simply put, it was well-timed, tactful, and courteous, laughing at their joke. They gave each other a little slap on the arm, a light-hearted shove when making fun of them, an extended high five that lasts a bit longer than normal. Why is this effective? Experiments on normal social interactions were conducted by French researchers. They discovered that respondents were twice as likely to comply with requests, whether it was to give their number, complete a survey, or even consent to dance, when they were softly touched on the arm by strangers. Touch avoids the rational mind. Before the brain can analyze, the body responds. The bonding hormone, oxytocin, is released with a gentle, well-placed touch. It creates chemistry, lowers barriers, and increases trust. The trick is that timing is crucial. You don't approach people and touch them all. When you're laughing, connecting, or feeling something together, you use touch. That touch becomes ingrained in their memory when it is associated with positivity. Later, the same emotional state will be triggered simply by being close to you. Trick number 2. The Chameleon Effect, mirror to mesmerize. Have you ever encountered someone who seems familiar to you? Even though this is your first encounter, do you act as though you've known them for ages? The Chameleon Effect is that. The art of mirroring in subtlety. You should lean in if they do. You slowly follow suit if they cross their arms. If they laugh, you laugh too, not too loudly, but just naturally, as though your emotional rhythms are in sync. On this, psychologists Chartrand and Bard carried out well-known experiments. They discovered that when someone subtly resembles them, people unconsciously like and trust them. Why? Since it conveys the message, we are the same. Together, we belong. It's primordial. In the days of evolution, being accepted by the group meant surviving. We still connect with others who are like us because of the way our brains are wired. Thus, you convey an implicit message that we're in sync when you mimic your crush without coming across as robotic. And without even understanding why, attraction grows stronger when someone experiences such synchronization. Trick number 3. The in-group effect, building a secret world. Let's delve further now. There's more to attraction than butterflies in the stomach. It has to do with exclusivity. The in-group effect enters the picture here. Let's say you and your crush have a joke that only you both know. Or you come up with a ridiculous nickname that only you use. Or perhaps you establish a small custom, such as ordering the same drink every time. All of a sudden, you and them are no longer together. We are up against the world. There are just 2 people in this secret club. Humans are intensely loyal to their communities, no matter how little, as psychology demonstrates. Because exclusivity equates to intimacy, your crush will automatically attach deeply when they feel as though they are in the same bubble as you. Imagine that weeks ago, you made an inside joke that made your crush giggle. They're not only laughing at that time. They are keeping in mind that this planet is solely yours, the 2 of you. And they are constantly drawn back in by those memories. Trick number 4. The name game, music to the brain. Using their name is one of the most effective yet often disregarded hacks, not in an eerie, ostentatious manner, but in quiet, organic moments. Sarah, that's funny. I understand you. David, why is this effective? Neuroscientists have shown that our brain's pleasure regions light up when we hear our own name. It resembles a dopamine rush. The secret, though, is to mix their name with feelings of optimism. The brain begins to link their name to enjoyment when they laugh and you say, "See, you're hilarious, Alex." With joy. Alongside you, it feels intimate all of a sudden to be near you. Close. Unique. This person really sees me, their subconscious whispers. Trick number 5. The Benjamin Franklin bait, let them invest. This is a historical example of a paradoxical tactic. At one point, Benjamin Franklin made a lifetime buddy out of an adversary. How? He requested a rare book from the man. Odd, huh? However, it was successful. This phenomenon is known as the Benjamin Franklin Effect by psychologists. A person's brain rewires the narrative when they do you a minor favor. If I help this person, it must be because I like them. Therefore, rather than constantly attempting to convince your crush of your value, turn it over. Request something easy from them. Can you assist me in selecting a picture? Will you please hold this for a moment? Micro-investments are made through small favors. Furthermore, the more someone shows interest in you, even in minor ways, the more their subconscious persuades them that they must like you. It's reverse psychology at its finest. You don't chase. You let them build the bond themselves. Trick number 6. The push-pull paradox, fueling desire with mystery. The push-pull paradox is one of the most potent and harmful psychological tricks. This is how it operates. You provide warmth, focus, and vitality in a single moment. The next time, you retreat. You become enigmatic, unavailable, and erratic. What makes people so enthusiastic about this? Because uncertainty is a brain addiction. It's safe to be certain. But doubt? Obsession is triggered by something. Consider gambling. Because they could win, people become addicted. In attraction, the same principle is at play. Your crush begins pursuing you once they are unable to completely read you. They long for the missing component. Tension is the foundation of the dance of desire. An excessive amount of intimacy suffocates attraction. If you put it too far away, it will die. However, obsession arises from that sweet spot. Give, retreat, repeat. So, which of these psychological tricks will you try first? Remember, attraction isn't about magic words or pick-up lines. It's about psychology. Small actions that bypass logic and sink straight into the subconscious. Touch when it matters. Mirror with subtlety. Build your secret world. Say their name. Let them invest. And master the push-pull dance. Used wisely, these aren't just tricks. They're keys. And with them, you can unlock a level of attraction that feels like fate. Subscribe to psychebites708.